Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Xiaomi Mi 9 Lite. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on More and go to Settings. Now click on Google Assistant and here you have to scroll down and click on Hey Google and Voice Match. Now click here on Hey Google and then click Next. Now you have to scroll down and click I agree. Then click Continue and click on Voice Model. Now click on Retrain Voice Model. OK Google. OK Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Now click Finish and you can go back. Now you can go back again and click on Lock Screen, then click Yes I'm in and make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. OK Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant now works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.